Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video, we're going to be refreshing my front porch slash front door for the summertime. Guys, today's video, it's pretty short, don't kill me for it, but I just wanted to share how pretty my front door and entryway porch area came out for the summertime. I did use a pop of color. Who am I? I'm using yellow for the first time in this area. I gave my door a nice clean. This area was nice and clean already, so all I have to do is kind of style it. This is the reason why it's a short video. I found everything that I needed for this home refresh at home stores. You guys, I've been upset with at home lately. I've been collaborating with them over on Instagram, but you guys, I found everything that I needed for my outdoor spaces this summertime. Look at this cute mat, like with the lemons and then the coral peach color. I just think it's so perfect for the summertime. So guys, don't forget to check the description box because I'm going to be linking everything that you see in today's video as far as decoration, planters, rugs, everything. And also all the items that I used to DIY, kind of refresh this store-bought wreath that I did. All those items will also be linked in the description box as well. Shout out to my mama for helping me. You guys know that I still can be lifting or doing too much around the house, and I will share the reason why soon. Trust me, that video is coming up. I owe it to you guys, but I've been taking some time out from social media, so I record whenever I have time, to be quite honest. But look at this beautiful outdoor rug that I got at home. You guys, so pretty. Like, the video is doing no justice. I love the neutral color, but I love the texture that it adds to the space as well. So I washed all my cushions before I started making this video. Then I added some new decor to kind of refresh the area here. So these beautiful pillows are also from at home. Then I added a little arrangement also from at home. This is perfect for outdoor because the base is like cement, so water could go in and everything. And then I'm adding some lanterns to this area as well. I added some florals, natural florals. Hopefully they survived. By the time you watch this video, they will still be alive. But here's how everything look. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoy and this video gave you some inspiration. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.